Condition assessment of existing structure, building, bridges and machine foundations. The goal of the project is to create an web-based application to analyze the condition of existing structures like building, bridges and machine foundations. The most popular method, non-destructive testing, is used to analyze the condition of the structures instantly. The major aspect of the project is Zeller and Vibrer implementation, log-log scale implementation, and various standards to assess the condition of the structures. The user has to log in to assess the condition. Once user gives the valid username and password, it will display the main menus, building and bridges, machines, standards, upload and download, search file. Building and bridges is used to assess the condition of existing buildings and bridges. It has two submenus, building and bridges. It is based on strength of vibration, Zeller and Vibrer. Implementation. It is also based on log-log scale. Buildings is based on Zeller and Vibrer implementation. The user has to give the frequency value, acceleration value. Once the frequency and acceleration is given, if the user clicks the generate button, it will generate amplitude, strength of vibration in terms of Zeller, strength of vibration in terms of Vibrer. The value is generated. The users can now assess the condition with help of assessment Zeller button. The condition is displayed, and also with assessment Vibrer button the condition is displayed. The user can save all values. The values all together with the assessment Zeller and assessment Vibrer is displayed with help of report. Report will retrieve the values from the database with help of report IDs. The user can select the IDs and click the button. It will display the aggregate values of frequency, acceleration, amplitude, Zeller Vibrer value with the conditions based on Zeller value and the Vibrer value. Bridges. Bridges is based on log-log scale implementation. It will ask for vibration and acceleration. Generate button will generate amplitude assessment value based on log-log scale, and based on these values are assessment 1, assessment 2 and assessment 3. All these value is generated. The user can assess the condition. Lightly damage is the condition of the building. The value can be saved. Saved value can be retrieved with help of report button. It will ask for the ID. User can select the ID and click me the button. The value is retrieved and displayed. All values is displayed. Machines. Machine foundation is based on standard formulas. It has 4 submenus: turbo generator, heavy machines, electrical motors and small machines. Turbo generator, it is used to assess the vibrations caused by the turbo generators. User has to enter the frequency and the acceleration. Generate button will calculate the velocity. The condition can be assessed with help of assessment of turbo generator button. The condition is displayed. The value can be saved. Saved value can be retrieved with help of report IDs from the database. Similarly, the vibration caused in heavy machines can be assessed with help of this menu, and the electrical motors, small machines. The next menu is standards. The standard formulas is implemented to assess the condition of the vibrations caused in the various machines. speed is entered. Direction of vibration can be vertical or horizontal. The value is displayed. Based on the speed and the direction of the vibration displacement amplitude should be 0.1. The standards can be tested instantly with help of this menu. Upload and download option is used to upload the various files related to the project. You can choose the file. Any files can be uploaded. It can be uploaded with help of upload button. File is uploaded successfully. It is displayed here. The file can be downloaded with help of download link. It is downloaded here and it can be viewed. Search file is used to search the uploaded files. User has to give the keyword and click the search button. It will search for the particular file. If he clicks the clear, it will display all files. So as the condition of the existing structures can be assessed instantly with help of this project. Thank you. The user has to log out.